better from India. We don't have to write, we don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
So yeah, first I was planning for Canada, but Canada was a little bit far for my mom and dad.
Right.
So I came here because my sister and my brother-in-law lives.
Because आपकी sister यहाँ तो then for you Dubai was definitely a तो शगुन थोड़ा सा introduction दो वो यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm basically from Uttarakhand, Dehradun. I studied in GNFCS Mussoorie.
Okay.
And that was like Punjabi and English school.
Right.
So we were like having fun. Hostel is like fun. So after that, I changed my school. I went for open board and then I did my bachelor's. I have 2 degrees actually. I did textile designing for 3 years
Okay.
and bachelor's in BBA.
तो आपने textile design करा और BBA किया. And then when did you complete your undergrad?
This year only.
This year only. And then you decided that you want to come to.
First, I was planning for Canada, but Canada was a little bit far for my mom and dad.
Right.
So I came here because my sister and my brother-in-law lives.
Because आपकी sister यहाँ तो then for you Dubai was definitely a good logical choice.
Yes.
And you have family and I think it makes a lot of sense. Tell us, why did you pick, I know you are doing your MBA from De Montfort University. Why did you pick De Montfort University?
So first of all, De Montfort University is like UK based.
Right.
So it is like good opportunities with that. You can get good degree and good, like after that we can get a good job, placements and all.
And your sister also studied here in Dubai.
Yeah, she studied from Canadian University actually.
The Canadian University, Dubai.
And I was also trying, but I couldn't make it.
वही मैंने कहा यार वो दीदी ने जब वहाँ पढ़ा तो फिर तुम why are you changing your job, your university?
Actually, I was planning for Middlesex and Canadian, but I couldn't make it, so I.
But of course, getting admission can be competitive. But yes, De Montfort is also a very good university.
Because it's UK based.
Because it's UK based, almost similar in curriculum. We were there. We might heal at that university itself. And so, guys, that is Shagun sharing her story. Tell us a little bit about your experience doing an MBA. And I'm sure you would have friends do at other universities as well.
Yes, I have friends from Middlesex and American University.
Right.
1 or 2.
Right.
But Middlesex I have.
ज़्यादा है.
Like
so
20%.
20%. तो ये बताओ, how are you finding the education here as compared to India? And
it's very good.
Very good.
Better from India. We don't have to write. We don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's
almost online based, right?
Right.
So everything is like online based. Professors are there, lecturers are there.
Right.
You can take the lecture. You can ask 100 times to the professor.
So you are saying ऐसा नहीं कि काम नहीं है, काम बहुत है, but लिखना नहीं है. Everything is virtual, online.
Yes.
You can, the professors are very helpful.
Yes.
You can ask same question 100 times to them, they will answer.
Yeah.
And do you find any difference between De Montfort and Middlesex? No difference.
I don't.
And between the American University, Dubai?
American University, yes.
Yes.
Because it's American.
Yeah.
First of all, it's America-based university. And the people are coming from British side and all.
So you are saying that in that university, like, slightly more diverse background students are there.
Yes.
Middlesex and DMU, you have more Indians?
More Indians.
More Indians are there. So American University, if you're looking for a more international...
because it's international based.
Right.
First of all, it is American university, right? So in American university, America's...
So a lot of students from America are also coming.
Yeah.
Do you find any differences in job outcomes? Do you feel there will be any difference in job outcomes after DMU, Middlesex and American University? You feel so?
I feel.
Between DMU and Middlesex also?
I feel with all three because it is competitive, first of all. So yeah.
But which university is better if you are wanting to get a job here in Dubai?
De Montfort.
De Montfort.
De Montfort.
So guys, see, I mean, she feels the American university is more diverse, but Shagun ka...
But I'm not saying ki it is more competitive, but it is very highly based.
It is very highly?
Based for like the students which are coming from every part of world. That is for competitive.
That's more competitive.
Yes.
Okay. And abhi tak, when did you start? You started in September just now?
Yes.
So you're just getting your rhythm of it. Thanks for also inviting us in your beautiful apartment. Kaise hai apartment ke andar? Thoda just give us a little tour.
So this is my cupboard.
So we entered from here. So this is the main gate.
This is the main door.
We can't shoot from outside, so we'll keep it indoors.
This is entry.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my cupboard.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my sofa bed.
So बेड हाँ
This
वो हमने
is-
इसका बेड बना हुआ देखा था.
Okay. This is like table.
Right, for
table
studying and everything.
whatever. This is TV. Okay. And this is mirror, washing machine, fridge.
So you have a washing machine, you have a top for cooking,
induction.
you have a
Yeah. Chimney.
chimney, stove, ये एक fridge है. वो भी
This
fridge
is my
था,
bathroom. And this is like
So there's a washroom there and yes,
whatever you want. That's
very
all.
good. So
Small and
no, small. I have seen I have seen partitions in Dubai, so it's
Yeah,
not that.
I know.
I understand this is like I think it's pretty lavish, and you are staying here by yourself.
yes.
And how much rent do you pay for this?
This is all based.
Around 2,500.
Yeah.
Around 2,500.
Probably.
And
Yeah.
it includes all electricity,
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is included. What else?
water.
Water is included. And do they also come and clean?
No,
Cleaning is not included.
I don't.
You do. कुछ तो
Places are like.
तो मतलब some places also give cleaning as a service, right?
Yes.
And but they have given you like a washing machine.
So
you can do
no,
your
no, no,
laundry.
no. Everything is from like we had purchased that.
Okay, so this was not furnished.
इन्होंने खुद रखा है सब कुछ. मतलब
Okay.
कुछ जगह पे रहता
So-
है.
कुछ जगह पे रहता. तो
सब जगह मोस्टली जगह.
So the
पे
fridge
वो-
you got?
Fridge was gone. Washing machine was gone.
हाँ.
Cupboard was gone.
Okay.
Sofa bed was gone.
अच्छा ये सब चीजें आपने परचेज करी हैं?
Yes. This
And
was gone.
ये भी okay.
TV was also gone.
Okay.
Even though that painting was also gone. I had to keep
हाँ.
it because like it got. We were just trying to fix
तो
it.
टेप से लगाओगे तो कैसे चिपकेगी यार वो?
Actually,
ये
that
पक्का
was.
हील का आइडिया होगा.
No, 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 no. It was my brother-in-law.
it's
He
a-
was like
Yeah.
putting sticky tapes, and then yeah.
But you're not allowed to hang it with nail. That's why. कुछ तो रीजन होगा टेप से without it. कील भी नहीं ढोक सकते भाई. देखो the UAE the thing is you have to follow the rules all the time. Otherwise बहुत बड़े बड़े फाइन लगते हैं यहाँ पे. So when you are from an India mindset से एक बहुत बड़ा change है that you have to follow the rules, right? And if you're not allowed to use nails, you don't use, right? So, but yeah, and so how did you find this apartment?
This was also based from my brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law,
My sister.
oh.
Only both they were there. Like I was like.
ऐसे
Actually, we were trying for business pay, but
Okay.
business pay was coming very high
very expensive.
because it's like 6,500, 7,500 AED.
इनको यहाँ पे आए सिर्फ 4 दिन.
अभी 4 ही दिन हुए हैं. नया नया आपको अभी तो आप सिस्टर के साथ रह रहे थे.
First, I was living in Wadi Al Safa at the census of the field.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was like a temporary
International park.
international park.
Near.
Silicon Oasis.
Silicon Oasis, हाँ, academic city के पास हो गया
Yeah.
वो, हाँ.
And then I had to take a taxi, then bus, then take a metro. Then I was like, I need a near metro. I don't want to. I want to live alone. I want to be independent.
Academic city के वो है भी बहुत दूर जाती है.
Yes.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.